GBA Eco are a subsidiary of GBA Services Limited. We're a national logistics firm with 8 depots and over 350 vehicles. GBA Eco sits within GBA Services Limited, and we offer construction support services by combining logistics along with waste management and recycling. The GBA Eco model revolves around condensing up to 12 or 15 separate deliveries to a construction site down to just 3. We looked at a traditional construction project and we found that all the componentry, all the materials, the waste management added up to a large number of vehicles wanting to visit that site at different times of the day or night. So the business model that we've come up with asks for our customers to deliver all the components and materials, site setup that are needed for that project into one of our central hubs. And from there we will make consolidated and timed deliveries down to the client's construction sites. We took it on to another level and we looked at waste management. So what we do is we use the same vehicle that's making the delivery of the new items to the site to uplift the waste. So on the first visit we will deliver any required componentry. We'll also deliver all the site setup that's needed for that site, signage, firefighting equipment, first aid equipment, PPE. We also deliver a range of empty waste vessels, and these are designed to be used rather than using a traditional skip. We ask the site team to then segregate the waste into those vessels, and so we'd have a dedicated vessel for each waste stream. That means that when we collect the waste and return it to our depot, it's a lot easier for us to turn that into recyclable material. And we have a process in place to recycle 99.6% of all the waste that we've seen coming back from construction sites. So the benefits of using this model are cost. Obviously, if you're reducing 15 deliveries down to just 3, there's going to be a significant reduction in the cost of deliveries. That also reduces the amount of carbon that the project produces from a mileage driven point of view. Reliability, which is crucial on construction projects that are fast moving. As an ex-project manager, I've spent many an evening on the phone chasing deliveries that are late or sometimes that don't even arrive. With this system, the client knows that if we've had it delivered into our warehouse maybe a week or 2 before it's required, we can guarantee that those products will be arriving on site on time. It also greatly increases the recycling stats from those projects because we segregate the waste on site and it's not all thrown into a skip. It means that we can produce a very, very detailed waste report for our customers. And the waste that comes into us, as I said earlier, nearly 100% of that waste goes back into some kind of recycling stream. And one final benefit is that at the end of the project, any unused materials can be returned back into the client's stock. If you've got a long rolling program where you're using the same materials over and over again, we found that 1 in 20 projects was getting nearly 3/4 of its componentry or materials as a result of the leftovers that were collected from the previous projects. And that adds up to a great deal of cost saving as well. Anybody watching that wants to take it on to the next level can contact me directly. My name's John Furzer and my email is john.furzer@gbaservices.com, or you can visit our website, which is gbaservices.com/eco.